Do you know what animal that has 8 legs, spreading webs, walk in the wall, and become one of surah name in the Quran? Yes, spider!
Assalamualaikum sahabat Alif. Hi, I'm the spider. Today, me and Miss Rahma will tell you about an interesting story where I saved Prophet Muhammad and Abu Bakar with my web in a cave. Miss Rahma, Miss Rahma.
Hey! Assalamualaikum sahabat Alif. So what are we going to do today?
We are waiting for you to tell us a story.
Okay, so let's have a seat. Inhale, exhale. So here we go. Once upon a time, spider is one of animal which the name is written in Al-Quran become the name of a surah. The surah is Al-Ankabut. The story about spider began when Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and his friend Abu Bakar as-Siddiq are moving from Mecca to Medina. This event was happened in the cave Sur. At that time, Prophet Muhammad and his friend was being chased by kafir Quraysh whom killed them both.
Wait, second Kak Rahma, who is kafir Quraysh?
Oh iya. So kafir Quraysh are the people who worship idols from the Quraysh. Okay, do you wondering what happened after this in the cave? Let's figure it out. By hiding in the cave, the Prophet and his friend will be safe from the killer. So when Prophet Muhammad and Abu Bakar was hiding in the cave, Allah gave order to the spider to build a web right in front of the cave. The spider did the order right on time before Kafir Quraysh came and trying to see through the cave. But in Allah's permission, they cannot see anything. Do you know how it's possible? They thought if the spider web covers the entrance of the cave, it means no one can walk through it. Meanwhile, if someone is trying to get inside, they have to break the web because it is the only way to get into it. Have you ever touched or see the spider web? Although fragile enough to easily detach from the wall? So, that is how Allah resembles people who doesn't obey Him like kafir Quraysh that Miss Rahma tell us before. Wait a second. Miss Rahma just remember that there is another story about spider and a dragonfly. Do you want to hear that?
Yes, Miss. Please tell us more.
Alright! Once upon a time, the spider was building a home from a branch to another. That afternoon, he left his web and walking around looking for his friend. But it was very calm and quiet around his neighborhood as always. After walking around for a while, the spider came back to his house and he was very shocked. There was a dragonfly stuck in his web.
What are you doing here, dragonfly?
Hi, spider. Please help me get out of here. I'm stuck.
Dragonfly, try ask Allah for help to get you out from there. He's the one who can move my heart to help you out.
Then Dragonfly prays to Allah wholeheartedly. And Allah grant his wish by moving the spider's heart and help him get out from his magnificent web.
Alright then, I will help you.
Allah said in the Quran, Surah Al-Ankabut, verse 41. A'udzu billahi minasy syaithanir rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Mathalul ladzina ittakhadhu min dunillahi awliya'a kamathalil ankabuti ittakhadat baita wa inna awhanal buyuti labaitul ankabut law kanu ya'lamun. Wow, Masya Allah, what an amazing story, right? From the story about Prophet Muhammad hiding in the cave to the dragonfly stuck in the web. Masya Allah, I hope we can understand the moral value from the story. Anyway, it's game time! Can you help the spider find its way to the dragonfly? Let's help the spider! Which one is the correct way? I'll give you 10 seconds to find it.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Have you found it? Are you sure is it the correct one? If you have the answer already, let me know it and comment down below. I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video to your friends. Goodbye. Assalamualaikum.
Yuk mengaji asik di Alifikra.